Hey, at the field this morning with my Avios Zazzy, just to have a quick look over this plane. I haven't really done anything as far as upgrading to this plane. It's basically stock, just added decals to this model. Actually, the motor had to be replaced, but it wasn't really an upgrade motor. It was basically a replacement. It's the same, whatever, 900 or 910 kV. The only thing I really did was just add decals, do a little personalizing with this plane. Oh, the pilot figure. I put a pilot figure in the original canopy, and actually I have a spare canopy for the run cam 2 to go into. So you'll get a more, I guess, like an in-flight footage. But yeah, that's it. As far as what I run, I put a 3600, Admiral 3600 in there to power this plane. And right there, that location is where I get my correct CG. And then I'll shift it up a little bit when the run cam 2 goes on the plane. So I guess the next flight, or the next video, will be the flight after this.